7 to the power 2 equals 49. 6 and 42 are both divisible by 6, so 6 divided by 6 equals 1 and 42 divided by 6 equals 7. 7 times 7 equals 49 and 49 divided by 49 equals 1. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression we have both multiplication and division present, we must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have a division and a multiplication operator present, but we also have exponent present too, and according to the order of operations, exponents have higher priority over multiplication and division, so we need to solve this exponent first. 7 to the power 2 equals 49. Our expression becomes 49 divided by 7 over 6 times 42. Now we have division and multiplication operators present. According to the rules, multiplication and division have equal level of priority, but we have to work from left to right, so we need to solve this division first because that is on the left side. 49 divided by 7 over 6. Now a number is getting divided by a fraction here. To solve this, what we can do is we can use KCF rule: keep, change and flip. Keep means we keep 49 as it is. Change means we change the division operator to multiplication, and flip means we flip the fraction 7 over 6 as 6 over 7, and then we have times 42 present from the original expression. Now 49 and 7 both are divisible by 7, so 7 divided by 7 equals 1 and 49 divided by 7 equals 7. Our expression becomes 7 times 6 times 42. Now 7 times 6 equals 42, and 42 times 42 equals 1764, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers and subscribe to our channel.